In the bright, busy town of Bright Meadow, there lived a cheerful girl named Adriana. Adriana had enough energy to power 10 bicycles. The moment she woke up, she was already planning her day of fun. Jumping rope, playing tag, chasing butterflies, racing friends, and exploring the whole neighborhood. Every afternoon after school, Adriana did exactly the same thing. She tossed her backpack onto the couch and shouted, "Mum, I'm going out to play." Before her mum could even say, "Be careful," Adriana was already outside, her laughter echoing through the streets. Meanwhile, inside the house, Adriana's mum cooked the most wonderful meals: steamy jollof rice, warm vegetable soups, soft yam porridge, and crispy fried plantain. The delicious smell drifted all the way outside, pulling Adriana home like a magnet. But every single day, Adriana came home right at the moment her mum added salt to the pot. Shake, 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 stir, stir, stir. Dinner was ready. So Adriana believed something very funny. Cooking must be easy. All you do is heat water and add salt. Mum tried many times to teach her. "Adriana, come help me peel potatoes." "I will after I finish this game." "Adriana, can you wash this rice for me?" "In a minute, Mum." But the minute never came. Adriana was always too busy having fun. Years passed quickly, and soon Adriana was packing her bags for college. She filled her suitcase with clothes, shoes, notebooks, and even her favorite jump rope, because no matter how old she got, she still loved to play. Her mum hugged her tightly. "Adriana," she said softly, "please remember that knowing how to cook is important. It's how you take care of yourself." Adriana grinned confidently. "Mum, don't worry. I can cook. I've watched you." Her mum raised an eyebrow. When I'm adding salt?" Adriana laughed. "Yes, that part." Mum shook her head but hugged her again anyway. College was exciting. New friends, new teachers, and a tiny dorm room that Adriana shared with two roommates, Maya and Julianne. One evening, Maya said, "I'm starving. Let's cook something." "I'll make soup," Adriana volunteered proudly. Her roommates paused. "You can cook?" Julianne asked. "Of course," Adriana said, puffing out her chest. She grabbed a pot, poured in water, and sprinkled salt, just like Mum always did when she walked in. Then she stood back proudly. 5 minutes passed, 10 minutes passed. The water began to boil and smell strange. Soon the pot started shaking, then bubbling angrily. Suddenly, psh! The pot overflowed, spilling salty water everywhere. "Adriana!" Maya shouted. "What did you put in this?" Adriana replied confidently, "Water and salt. That's how soup is made." The room went silent. Then Julianne giggled. Then Maya laughed. Then Adriana laughed too. They weren't laughing at her. They were laughing with her. "Adriana," Maya said gently, "come here. We need to teach you the real magic of cooking." That night, Adriana video called her mum. "Mum, I need help. I burned soup made of only water." Her mum burst out laughing. "Oh my goodness, so the day has finally come." And so began Adriana's cooking adventure. Every day after classes, she and her mum had video calls. "Wash the vegetables first," Mum would say. "Cut onions. Careful with your fingers. Not too much oil. Stir gently. Taste it. If it needs more seasoning, add a tiny bit." Cooking is love, Adriana. It needs time. Adriana learned a little each day. She burned rice, oversalted stew, and once dropped a tomato on her foot, but she kept going. Soon she made perfect rice-rich vegetable soup pepper stew, soft yam, fluffy pancakes, spicy chicken. Her roommates cheered every time she tried something new. "Adriana, you're getting so good," Maya said. "You should open a restaurant called Baby Chef," Julianne joked. Adriana laughed proudly. For the first time in her life, she felt what cooking really meant. One weekend, her college held a dorm cooking challenge. Each room had to make one dish. Maya and Julianne turned to Adriana. "You're the chef," they said. "Lead us." Adriana's eyes widened. "Me? Really?" Together they cooked a beautiful vegetable stew with rice using everything she had learned. When the judges tasted it, they smiled. "This is delicious. Perfect seasoning, perfect texture." "Who made this?" Adriana raised her hand shyly. The whole hall clapped. She had done it. She had truly learned to cook. That night, Adriana called her mum again. "Mum," she said excitedly, "we won the cooking challenge." Her mum's voice softened happily. "Oh, Adriana, I'm so proud of you." Adriana smiled at the screen. "Mum, I understand now. Cooking is not just about food, it's about independence, responsibility, and love." Her mum nodded. "And now you can take care of yourself no matter where you go." Adriana beamed with pride. From that day on, even though she still loved playing with her friends, she always made time for cooking. She had learned that fun is great, but knowing how to care for yourself is even greater. Learning how to cook is important. It helps you become independent, responsible, and confident. And the best part, you get to make delicious food anytime you want. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!